front, our candidate number 2. Where are the supporters of candidate number 2? Nandun sila sa likod. Beautiful, beautiful ladies. Good evening, candidate number 2. How are you feeling tonight?
Of course, I feel a bit nervous, mixed with excitement, and I'm happy today for the people here today that they are witness to someone who will be crowned tonight for the first ever Ling Ai Singabong.
Wow, grabe. Nervous pa siya sa palagay na yun, ha? Ang dami na sabi. Okay, I think you have to inhale, exhale. I can see your shade right now. It's totally fine. Everyone, please, I want you to be silent whenever Queen answers a question. All right, candidate number 2, are you ready to pick your question? All right, she's very ready. And now, please pick a bowl. You can read it once, and I will read it to you twice, and then you can answer your question. All right.
Growing up in a community that depends on farming and fishing, what lesson in life have this livelihood taught you that you can apply as a Ling Ai Singabong 2026?
And now for our audience to have a clear understanding of our question for candidate number 2. Her question goes, growing up in a community that depends on farming and fishing, what lesson in life have these livelihoods taught you that you can apply as Ling Ai Singabong 2026? Again, growing up in a community that depends on farming and fishing, what lesson in life have these livelihoods taught you that you can apply as Ling Ai Singabong 2026?
The wave may be uncertain, and the harvest may not always be plentiful. Growing up in a community that depends on farming and fishing has taught me the greatest lesson: resilience with purpose. I have seen and witnessed our farmers and fishermen rise before dawn, endure weather, and face uncertainty every day, yet they continue their work because they carry the responsibility of feeding their families and sustaining our community. Despite of that, our farmers and fishermen continue to show the value of hard work, patience, perseverance, and hope that every effort made today can create a better tomorrow. As a Ling Ai Singabong 2026, I will carry this lesson with pride. I will lead with resilience, and I will serve with compassion. I will remain committed to our community, and in this way, our farmers and fishermen can be. Our farmers and fishermen is not only the foundation of our livelihood, but also they are also the foundation of the leader I aspire to be. Thank you and good evening.
Wow, what a very good answer coming from young